Hi, I am Stephen Harris, the head trader for the Falcon Options Live Trading Room. The purpose of this video is to give you a general overview of what to expect from the Options Live Trading Room. Of course, you can get a feel for what happens during a typical day, or for that matter week, by taking advantage of the 2-week free trial that we offer. No credit card needed to participate in the free trial. But back to this video. I do think it worthwhile to listen to this brief presentation to gain a better understanding of what we do in the Options Live Trading Room. One of our Falcon Global core beliefs is to provide outstanding transparency into what we are trying to model each day across all of our products. We are and have extensively studied the best practices in the live trade room industry and are well aware of the frustrations many traders have experienced in trying to understand and follow some head traders. At Falcon Global, you will have total transparency into what the head traders of any of our live trading rooms are working on. You might have noticed our slogan, "From Entry to Exit." We seek to model best practices for the investor or trader from the initiation of a trade idea through any adjustments, whether due to our profit management rules or due to our risk management system, through on to the final exit of the trade. This is done with as much clear communication in real time as is possible. So, into the basics of the room. Unfortunately, in the live trade room education business, there seem to be many with poor business and trading practices. At Falcon Global, we are not a churn operation. We are seeking long-term members who understand what they are doing and what we are providing for a win-win experience. As such, we share a lot more information right up front before we even take a trial to assist you in making the good decisions. We would love to have you as a member, but it's also important that you're here for the right reasons and have the proper expectations. What motivated us to start this business was from our own personal frustrations and what we observed as really poor practices by what was supposed to be the gurus in this industry. Well, enough on that. Let's get to the task at hand. All Falcon Options Live Trade Room memberships include a focus on both directional and non-directional income option strategies. Let me address the directional and non-directional separately. First, directional. This should also be broken out into 3 subsets. We are directional as part of a core portfolio strategy when it comes to using options to make the trade. Examples might be where we are focused on particular sectors or industry groups to take swing trades that we can use the leverage of liquid options while in alignment with our core portfolio objectives. We might also use options for highly directional hedging strategies that also have the purpose of blunting pullbacks and corrections to the core portfolio. We will also utilize put selling, not just for speculation, but also in association with defined basket of stocks that we are willing to own in the core portfolio. When the put selling is associated with a core portfolio, this is clearly communicated because you have to consider the buying power if you take assignment of the stocks, which may be part of the strategy and acceptable for that trade. You should be aware that we have an investing focus using equities and ETFs to model a dynamically hedged core portfolio strategy. This is a primary feature for the equities and ETFs room. We have worked very hard to develop a robust core portfolio strategy that we believe will perform exceptionally well over time. You can learn more about that in that room as well as from the ebook. The second directional subset is on our swing trade focus. This may either be bullish or bearish. We utilize a defined set of setup rules to swing trade liquid options. To this, we apply both the system risk management as well as a profit management set of rules. All trades are risk defined and have defined targets as well. Many of these swing trades are meant to last days to weeks and are generally very easy to manage day to day. We communicate in real time about any new adjustments, risk management, or profit management changes to the trade as the modeled trade develops. You do not have to be tied to your computer all day to manage a vast majority of these trades. Oftentimes, new stops or profit management levels are communicated prior to the market open, and you can use your conditional orders from your broker platform to manage. A third directional subset is our earnings plays. We are very selective with earnings plays and look for, as always, very liquid options combined with an expectancy model that allows for a relatively low win rate but high profit factor. This is a strategy that is expected to make good money over time, not in any one trade. Obviously, earnings plays are a very speculative strategy. The other types of trades we do, the non-directional, or perhaps you may be more familiar with the term delta neutral option income strategies. Calendars, credit spreads, butterflies, diagonals, iron condors, iron flies, and double diagonals may all come into play as market conditions set up. We always utilize only highly liquid underlying for these strategies, which are generally worked with the indices such as the SPY or SPX, IWM or RUT, or with what we refer to as the jumbo stocks such as Apple, Amazon, Google, or Netflix. Understand that the level of activity will vary quite a bit in this room. We primarily focus on trading with the trend for our swing trades. So if we have pulled into a short-term counter trend, our swing trading will diminish. And if the market is in correction, then our activity related to core portfolio trading will diminish. If the VIX goes above or below acceptable thresholds for option income trading, we'll pull the plug on those setups. Bottom line, we seek to trade with edge and with high probability approaches, and when these conditions don't line up, we will move to protect, manage existing trades, and to preserve capital until conditions once again turn favorable. The exception to all this is the hedging trades that we will often undertake using option strategies. The live trading room is 100% focused on trading. No incessant chatter here. It is all business. Our format, which we'll go into additional detail in a few minutes, provides for direct, live, real-time chat from the head trader throughout the trading session via a member-only web page that can be accessed anywhere you can connect to a web page. You will see transparency of each member's entry, of each trade's entry, target, and maximum loss stop and trade management adjustments. Members also have access to a complete trade journal with extensive details about the modeled trades. You will also see a demonstration of our risk management strategies. You will also benefit from our technical market commentary from an experienced trader. This is provided through a series of published daily and monthly reports, as well as through our daily market preview YouTube video. A review of current price and volatility trends, market timing, and hedge risk level opinions are provided in this daily preview YouTube video. We treat this as a professionally oriented business approach and will model practices to help you learn to run your trading as a business. Members receive our portfolio management investing tools such as the monthly portfolio strategy report and the monthly portfolio strategy ratio report. These two reports provide a comprehensive review of the current business sector, current business cycle, sector, and industry group environment. Market timing tools such as the daily report, which assist us in making better trade management decisions, including entries, ongoing management, and the invoking of various hedging strategies. Trader tools including the morning report, market forecast, market condition report, and daily price guides for key markets. Ongoing support, member discounts for individual and small group coaching services with our Falcon team, a members-only discussion forum, a referral program with credits that can reduce the cost of your ongoing subscription, and finally, a loyalty subscription credit program. We understand that trading with the leverage of options trading is not for everyone. Some will want more of a day trading operation. We're not that in this room. That would be our futures live trading room. For whatever reason, after the initial 1-month subscription, you may cancel at any time and you will not have any additional charges. There is no long-term contract or commitment. When you're ready to leave the trade room, just inform Falcon Global that you would like to cancel your membership prior to the next subscription cycle. No worries. Do note, there is no proration of canceled renewals in between billing cycles, so be sure to select the subscription time frame that meets your needs. While you're a member, Falcon Global also guarantees that your monthly subscription will not be increased with our Falcon loyalty program. This means that no matter how much of our trading room grows, what features are added to the room, your fee will not change so long as your membership remains active and in good standing. A bit more about the options format that we use. It's a simple yet very effective real-time chat feed to communicate about setups, entries, targets, stops, and trade management adjustments as the trade develops. The head trader focuses on following market opportunities using a 7-monitor setup and then communicates the actions taken in the live trading room chat. The head trader is able to cover a broader range of markets, seeking opportunities for quality setups as well as an active trade management approach. We believe this approach allows us to increase overall trading productivity and produces more opportunities for you to observe the model behaviors of an experienced trader. There is no noisy chatter distracting you for hours on end, but rather you open up the member area of the site, log into the trade room web page, and follow our members-only chat feed for real-time actions needed as necessary. The chat is also filtered with only the head trader chat showing. While entertaining, chat rooms that allow the members to chat back and forth can produce hundreds or even thousands of lines of chatter that can be distracting from the task at hand. This is a pure effort centered on modeling options trading efforts with the goal of consistent performance. This allows you to work on other priorities while at the same time being able to monitor actions from the live trading room. It is potentially possible to even be at a full-time job and monitor actions in the room if you have the type of job that allows you to have open access to websites and, of course, your broker platform. Keep in mind that we are primarily swing and position trading while using options. There are some intraday trades, but that is not the focus of this room. Generally, it is quite possible to manage the communications coming in, to manage the book of trades, while working on other projects. That is part of the design here. Again, not a day trading scalping operation. There are no software or indicators to buy. You can trade from whatever broker or platform you prefer as you select and manage your own trades. I will be using the Thinkorswim platform, which is what about 80% of all options broker volume in the United States covers. So many of you will, when I share a trade setup screenshot, will recognize it and be quite familiar with the look and feel. But it is not necessary to have a platform or indicators to follow my modeled trades. Understand that in the spirit of transparency, Falcon Global Options Live Trade Room members have access each day to a complete trade journal with all the details of the modeled trades. We also publish each day a summary performance report. So full perspective into the productivity and drawdowns is fully apparent. Transparency is a core principle for all Falcon Global head traders. So I hope I've with this provided some insight into what our Falcon Global Operations and the Options Live Trade Room provides. If you have any questions, obviously we have the website with additional information. You can, of course, also email us at support@falconglobaltraders.com. There's also a contact us form on the website. So be sure to sign up for the 2-week free trial and see for yourself just what it is that we've been talking about. We thank you for your attention. We look forward to seeing you in the room. The disclaimers here are shown, and please feel free to pause the video if you need more time to read them. But do remember that we are an education service and not a financial advisor of any kind. Thank you, and good trading.